Hey guys, welcome back to the Python Ninja Bootcamp. In this lecture, we will cover Q&A third. Let's get started. First, download the Jupyter notebook of this lecture from the link in the description. It contains important questions along with solution related to previous topics. So to get most out of this lecture, students are requested to revise the class and inheritance. The link of each lecture is given in the description below. Don't go through the solution directly. Make your own logic and at least try once to solve the question first. This is the best learning process and you will get the most of this lecture. That's all about Q&A third. See you in the next lecture.
Students, subscribe करें SN Gurukul channel को, press the bell icon to see the latest tutorial, comment करें to give your valuable feedbacks and suggestions.
In the next Python lecture, we'll cover error and exception handling.